Tan'eem from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Assalamu alaikum.
So, if Tahiyatul Masjid is obligatory for us, then what about um, someone who goes for Tablighi Jamaat and stay in the mosque but frequently goes out for necessities and then re-enters? Is it obligatory upon him to pray Tahiyatul Masjid every time he enters the mosque?
He is obliged not to go with the Tablighi Jama'ah. This is number one. And by doing that, he would relieve himself from offering the 2 rak'ahs of Tahiyyat al-Masjid. We've stated so many times, Tablighi Jama'ah is not according to the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. They are one of the top guys in beautiful souls, they're kind, they're generous, but what they're doing is against the Sunnah. It's a fabrication, it's an innovation, and they have a lot of things that go against the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. So we do not advise people to go out with them for 3 nights or 40 nights or twice a week between Maghrib and Isha or Asr and Maghrib and knocking on people's doors. Unless you are a highly decorated student of knowledge, you have knowledge of the Sunnah, of the Qur'an, of the Tafsir, so that you can add value to them, correct them, and bring them back to the Sunnah. But hypothetically, someone who's doing i'tikaf, which is a highly recommended Sunnah in the last 10 nights of Ramadan, and he lives in the masjid, he sleeps in the masjid. For such a person, if he has to go and answer the call of nature, definitely he cannot come back until he prays 2 rak'ahs to sit down, even if he does this 20 times a day. Sunny from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Are the rewards same for donating money to a Muslim, donating money to a non-Muslim, and providing food to animals, or will one get more reward for donating money to a Muslim?
Of course, you get more reward when you donate money to a needy Muslim than you get when you donate money to a needy non-Muslim. It's like saying, would I get more money if I give in charity money to my needy sister, my needy brother, or will I get more reward if I give my money to some random poor person out there? Your relatives, you get 2 rewards for their kinship and for being needy. Likewise, your Muslim brother, you get 2 rewards for him being needy and him being a Muslim. Salim from India.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, we know that no one beside Allah can bring benefit or harm, but in chapter 4, ayat 79, it means whenever good fall you is from Allah and whenever evil befall you is from yourself. What does this ayat mean?
This ayah means that the reason this evil has struck you is because of your sins. So Allah is a creator of everything, and we attribute to Allah the good things. The bad things, though created by Allah, but out of respect, we don't say that Allah created pure evil. Rather, we say that there is good in it we don't know. But the evil that strikes us, whether due to poverty or illness or the likes or a calamity, this is because of our own sins, and we should blame ourselves for these sins. Not that we are the creators of it. No, we do not create any such thing, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. This